Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So today I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks for freshmen. If you're a freshman girl or boy, this applies to you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing that you should never do as a boy or girl freshman is never date seniors, ever. You should just avoid it at all costs. It's not a good idea. It's never a good idea, okay? Because people are gonna talk about you. And because they're way older than you. So just don't do it. Don't do it, guys, don't do it. So next thing is always be early to class. Also, I'm using this if y'all want to know. Never be late to class, guys. Because then your teachers will make you tardy, but if you're the teacher's pet, or like they like you, then you're like golden. So always remember that, guys. I'm gonna wash my face off really quick and I'll get back to you guys. Third thing is, high school is not like the movies at all. You're not gonna fall in love on the first day. You're not gonna meet your dream girl or guy, and it's not like that at all, and it shouldn't be like that. You should get to classes early and be on time, and don't lollygag. Of course, get there early to like meet with friends and stuff. Don't get into your head like, oh, every boy loves me or every girl loves me. Like, no, they don't. Okay? And it's okay. It's okay for people not to like you. But yeah, but this is the night before school, so this is why I'm doing this, and then I'm gonna do like 5 more questions tomorrow morning. Fourth question is always get your homework done, because if you don't, then your grades will drop. And homework is actually a really big part of your grade. It's like 20% of your grade, so do it. Okay. Fifth thing is it's okay to sleep in, just like if you need to. If you don't need to sleep in, then just get up early. But if you need to sleep in just like 30 minutes, like before like school starts, then do it. But only if you should, like only if you're like worn out and stuff, then you should do it. And bonus round, this is a 6th question. Always wear something nice to school, like on your first day. Like always wear something nice on your first day. Like get all prepped up, be all pretty if you're a girl, and be all handsome if you're a boy, and just be all like ready to go, because it'll make you feel better. And getting dressed every day and doing your makeup actually motivates you to like get out of bed and show off your outfit. So I do recommend that. Okay guys, well I'm gonna be going to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It's currently 5:33 in the morning. Okay, so here's the plan. First I'm gonna have some breakfast, and then I'm going to get dressed, and then do my makeup, and then like go to school. I'm gonna be giving you guys tips while I'm doing my makeup. So let's get started. Okay, I don't whisper, so listen carefully. Okay, I'm gonna try all these too and see what I think. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear this. This is really cute. And super cute. And then I'm gonna wear my black Converse. Number 1 is that you should never be scared to ask for directions, because it's gonna get you to class super early and you'll learn your way around the school, so you'll be good to go. Okay, number 3 is to listen to the class rules, because it'll help you know like what to do and like how to ask for help. Like when they tell you like all the rules in the class, listen to them, okay? It's gonna be fine. Number 4 is bring supplies, because you might need them, okay? And people are going to ask you for pencils, lots of pencils, so bring extra. But for me, I'm not gonna bring any extra, because I'm not giving my pencils away this year, because I barely have any this year. So get yourself some pencils. I'm gonna be using the Sephora moisturizer. Number 5 is make lots of friends, but make good ones that you are gonna want to keep like forever, because you're gonna find friends like that. Even though it might take a while, it took a while for me. Like, I didn't start making like real friends until like sophomore year of high school, which was literally last year. So just make yourself some friends. It's gonna be really useful, and you'll be able to do like passing periods with them or like lunch with them. So just like, I don't know, just like do it, okay? I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. concealer. It's bonus round. Number 6 is always be nice to your teachers, guys. Like, for all the freshmen. This is only for freshmen, by the way. Be nice to your teachers, bro. They're gonna appreciate it, even though they're not very nice to you. You should be nice to them. For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna talk about like what I'm like excited for this year. So what I'm excited for is being with my friends, of course, and I'm actually excited for all my classes because I have this one teacher named, I'm actually not gonna say their name because like exposed, but he's really nice, and I have him for a second year in a row. So I'm like, wow, that's crazy. So I get to see him. The thing is that I wasn't gonna go to the school in the first place. Like, I wasn't gonna go there junior year. I was gonna go in California, but things changed, and I decided I wanted to stay at my school I currently go to. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, it is almost 6, and I have plenty of time to get ready. So we're gonna take our time. Also, my school is pretty good. Like, I actually really like my school. It's like pretty big, but it's not like too big, if you know what I'm saying. The other school that I wanted to go to was really big, so I was like, I'm just gonna stay at my school here. So that's what I did, and I don't regret it because now I can like hang out with my friends, and yeah. I'm just gonna give extra tips because I don't have any more. But anyway, I also recommend for new coming freshmen is like, just like be friends with everybody, like try to be, and don't have any beef with anyone, because then it's just gonna like make your day like worse. Like, oh my gosh, look at that person. So like, just like try to be friends with everyone, and if you don't like someone, like give them a chance, I guess. But if you like generally don't like them because they like did something to you, then that's okay. But don't let it like consume you, if you know what I'm saying. Every time you see them, you're like, oh my gosh, look at them. You know what I'm saying? I think I might do some like black under eye. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Rare Beauty highlighter. But in general, high school shouldn't be hard for you. It should actually be fun. And I think the funnest year is, like, I think the easiest year, depending on like your classes, is freshman year, because 1, you're new, and 2, your classes are like not that hard, but they were hard for me. They were hard for me. Freshman year is like one of the easiest parts in high school. The hardest year is junior year, and that's where I come in. I am a junior. Does it look good so far? I guess so. I'm gonna be doing my eyelashes, and I'm gonna be using the telescopic mascara. High school should be a good experience. I think probably the easiest year is going to be senior year. That's gonna be the easiest year of all time. Just like, I don't know. So you're gonna have to wait a couple years. Me, I only have to wait 1 more year. I'm just doing my eyelashes. I'm gonna do my lips. Yeah. Now I'm gonna start on lips. This is the L'Oreal color, I don't know. But my experience so far, I think sophomore year was probably my craziest year, because that's when I like had a boyfriend. But then I broke up with him because my dad. So he wasn't that good either. So that's fine. This is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna go check in the bathroom, see if it looks nice, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, it looks good. I'm so nervous. Like, there's people that I don't see at my school, I'm using the Ariana Grande perfume. I got it for a birthday present. So there you go. Oh my gosh. That's cute. They're just like pretty simple, but they're these like 2 hooped earrings, and I really like them because it makes me look like I have 3 piercings instead of 2. It's 6:09. Where did that go? I literally just dropped my earring. Hold on. I'll bring look. I was just like, I don't want to see this person like at all. It's kind of why I wanted to go to a different school, because I don't want to see this guy. It's a guy. Okay, so this is the finished look. Pretty cute for my first day. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully if anyone is going to freshman year today, have a good day, everybody. Okay, don't be stupid, have a good time, and just make lots of friends. And I'll see you guys another day. Bye.